Hello everyone, this is a session on General Aptitude. In this session we will discuss some of the PYQs. Two straight lines pass through the origin x0, y0 equal to 0, 0. One of them pass through the point x1, y1 equal to 1, 3 and the other pass through the point x2, y2 equal to 1, 2. What is the area enclosed between the straight line in the interval 0, 1 on the x-axis? Okay, we can see that there are two lines. One passing through the point 0, 0 and 1, 3 and another straight line passing through 0, 0 and 1, 2. Now we have to find the area enclosed between these two straight lines. This area is to be found. Now we can mark these points A, B, C, D. We have to find the area of the triangle ABC. So, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of this bigger triangle ABD minus smaller triangle ACD. Area of ABD minus area of ACD. Okay, now what is area of ABD? That is half base into height. Base is 1 and height is this height, which is 3. 1 into 3. And the smaller triangle area ACD, that is half into 1 into height is this height, which is 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 or 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. This is the right answer. Next question. A sphere of radius r centimeter is packed in a box of cubical shape. What should be the minimum volume of the box that can enclose the sphere? Here I have shown a rough figure. This is a cubical box and there is a sphere. Now, given that the sphere has a radius r centimeter. Now, so the diameter of the sphere would be 2r. And let the side of the box, side of the cube be A. We can see that the diameter of the sphere is equal to side of the cube. Diameter of sphere is equal to side of the cube, which is, that means 2r equal to A. Now we have to find the minimum volume of the box, that is volume of cube. Volume of cube is, we know that volume of cube is side cube or A cube. Here A is 2r, that is 2r cube, which is equal to 8r cube. This is the final answer, option D. In a recently conducted national entrance test, boys constituted 65% of those who appeared for the test, girls constituted the remaining candidates, and they accounted for 60% of the qualified candidates. Which one of the following is a correct logical inference based on the information provided in the above passage? Okay, it is said that there are the appeared students and the qualified student. Let the appeared student be X, appeared candidates be X, and the qualified candidates be Y. Qualified candidates be Y. Now the boys constituted 65% of the appeared candidate. The boys is equal to 65% of the appeared. Appeared is X. 65% of X. So from this we get that girls is equal to remaining percentage, that is 35% of X. This is the appeared candidates, boys and girls. Now it is said that girls constituted the remaining candidates and they accounted for 60% of the qualified candidates. So girls is equal to 60% of qualified candidates, that is Y. 60% of Y. Now what would be boys? Boys will be 40% of the qualified. 40% of Y. This is the qualified candidates, boys and girls. Now I have shown this in a tabular form for your convenience. These are the options. Let's check the options one by one. Equal number of boys and girls qualified. You can see that this is the qualified candidates. Boys is 40% of Y and girls is 60% of Y. So they are not equal. Now equal number of boys and girls appeared for the test. This is the appeared candidates. Boys is 65%, girls is 35%. So they are not equal. The number of boys appeared for the test is less than the number of girls who appeared. The appeared candidates, here we can see that 65% is boys, that is boys is more. So this option is also wrong. Next is the number of boys who qualified for the test is less than the number of girls who qualified. Okay, in the qualified candidates, boys is 40% and that is less than the girls. So this is the correct option. Next question. The price of an item is 10% cheaper in an online store S compared to the price at another online store M. Store S charged rupees 150 for delivery. There are no delivery charges for orders from store M. A person bought the item from the store S and saved rupees 100. What is the price of the item at the online store S? If there are no other charges, then what is described above? Okay, let the price of the item at store M be X. Let price of item at store M be X. Now what would be the price of the item at store S? That is 10% cheaper. Price of item at store S is 10% less than that of X. That is X minus 10% of X. 10 by 100 of X. That is equal to 0.9x. Now it is said that store S charges 150 for delivery. So if a person buy an item from store S, he has to pay the price of the item and also the delivery charge. So amount to be paid if someone buys from store S, amount to be paid is equal to 0.9x plus the delivery charge 150. Okay, if the item is bought from store M, the amount to be paid is the same as the price of the item. There is no delivery charge. For store M, the price is X itself. Now, if a person bought an item from store S and saved rupees 100, that is when he bought from store S, he got 100 rupees less. Okay, that is he got the item 100 rupees less than if he bought from M. So the difference between these two amount is 100. Okay, that is X minus 0.9x plus 150 is equal to 100. Now we can solve this equation. We'll get 0.1x equal to 250 or x equal to 2500. Now what is to be found? What is the price of the item at online store S? The price of the item at online store S is 0.9x. So what is x here? X is 2500. So this is 0.9 into 2500, that is equal to 2250. This is the final answer. This is the right option. Next question. A sum of money is to be distributed among PQ, R and S in the proportion 5:2:4:3 respectively. If R gets rupees 1000 more than S, what is the share of Q? It is said that the ratio is P is to Q is to R is to S is 5:2:4:3. That is, if P gets 5x, Q gets 2x, R gets 4x and S gets 3x. It is said that R gets 1000 more than S. R gets 1000 more than S. So the difference between these two amount is 1000. That is 4x minus 3x is 1000 or x is 1000. Now what is the share of Q? Share of Q is 2x, that is 2 into 1000, which is 2000. So the final answer is option D, 2000. That's all for today. Thank you.